As we know, the shower can create a lot of mould and grime buildup over time when it's not cleaned. The moisture inside also allows for germs and bacteria. Today, I'm going to show you how to get a clean and fresh shower with the power of steam. Here we have the Kärcher SC3 Steam Cleaner, which can be used to clean the tiles, grouting, taps and shower glass. And not only this, but Karcher steam cleaners can also kill up to 99.99% of bacteria and germs. To use it, firstly we need to fill it up with water and wait for it to heat up. Then we attach the brush head with the microfibre cloth so we can clean the large tiled areas. When the tiles are finished, switch your attachment to the small nozzle so you can clean the grouting, corners and tap handles. And now for the glass screen. For this, we can use our window nozzle with our steam cleaner to achieve the ideal cleaning result. And there you have it, a nice clean shower that's easily been disinfected. Say goodbye to mould and bacteria in the shower with the Karcher steam cleaner.